What's going on, guys? It's the last day of the cruise, somewhere between Mexico and Florida right now, heading home, and ended up waking up this morning getting a short here on EFII. And you can see I got in there at 29.29, kind of late to the game here. You can see it already sold off from like the 34 areas down to 29.30 at that point. Had a big spread actually, and I was kind of worried for a second. Thought I might get squeezed here, but you can see a lot of selling pressure. This thing was going down and ended up going short there, 500 shares. Looking for this move down to the $28 area. Got in there. It started to drop below that 29 area. 29 support was holding for a little bit. And it had a big spread. Had like a 30-40 cent spread sometimes. And kind of bouncing around there. And looking for this move lower. Holding that 29.20. I was like, oh, what am I going to do? I didn't want to get squeezed. I didn't want to end the week on a bad note here. You know, it's Friday, so didn't want to risk it or blow up my account on this trade, have this thing squeeze back to $34 on some crazy news. So I was kind of watching it closely here, waiting, watching, and you can see it ended up crashing down here. 29 support holding there. You can see that big buyer, but it just disappeared. So somebody just kind of messing with the bid, trying to get some higher shorts there. Here it goes, dropping down to that 28.78 area. I'm in there at 29.29. So if I could get $1 a share on this, it'd be pretty nice. Getting down here to the 28.92, 28.80 area, kind of bouncing there. 28.70 on the ask there. Was looking to cover half if this wanted to squeeze higher, so I was waiting and going to cover 250 shares there at 28.70, and ended up taking 250 down right there. And right after I covered it, just kept on going lower. So held 250 shares for the full dollar drop here. Was looking for that 28.29 area. If I could get that, I'd be pretty happy to be taking a full dollar out of this move here with 250 shares. Already up $140 locked in there on that first move, covering there 250 shares, and then getting this drop down. Got down to there 28.30 here, and was looking for that 28.26, so ended up covering there at 28.25 for over $1 move there. And you can see after that it actually squeezed higher. So at open it squeezed up there almost to $29. So I was watching it, was looking to jump in here for one more trade. Just wanted to get another trade here. I'd open and see if we could get it. And it got up there to 28.50 and got in here short at 28.20. Looking for that move back below $28. And there it is. Drop in there. Got 500 shares again. Looking for this move lower. And ended up getting some support. Bouncing here at the 27.80 area. You can see a lot of selling though. A lot of action. A lot of just volume in general here on this stock. I was going to cover here at 28 if it wanted to bounce. And ended up covering there at 27.80. Was building some support. And you can see it ended up going higher. And I got one more trade on this stock, actually, getting in there at $28. It got up there to 28.60, had a double top, pulled back down to 28. 28 support was holding, and I waited for that 28 to break. Got in there with 250 shares, smaller size, just to kind of get, 50, 60 bucks here, and look for this pullback. And here it is. Looking for that move back down to that $27 area would have been nice, but didn't get it. It was kind of bouncing here at the 27.70 area. Ended up covering there and taking it down $695 on this trade. EFII, this thing was selling off. You can see it's down 40% on the morning so far. I traded this for about 15-20 minutes this morning, made $695. Can't complain about that. It's the last day of the cruise. I'm heading home. I'll clean up my office, kind of rearrange some stuff, and get ready for some more trading action next week. Work on some new videos for you guys, and hopefully you're enjoying this kind of trip so far and seeing some of the stuff that I've been up to. But if you haven't, if you think it's all a big joke, why is this idiot day trading on a cruise? Well, if I can spend 20-30 minutes a day day trading, make a couple $100, why complain about that? So it is what it is. I have Wi-Fi. The cruise Wi-Fi actually been working really good. I'm surprised actually, because I thought the Wi-Fi would be terrible, but the Wi-Fi has actually been really good, and it's been great to trade here every morning. Wake up, get a couple trades in, and then spend the rest of the day just doing whatever I want. And that's really what it's all about for me. Just doing what I want to do, making money when I want to make it, and trading when I want to trade. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like or a comment below if you enjoyed this video.